How to create NFTs on your phone for free. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can create NFTs on your phone for free. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go and download a suitable application to create your NFTs. You can use a application like Medibank over here, or you can use Canva or any other application that you are comfortable with. So you can just go onto the App Store or application store or your Google Play Store, whatever you are using, and just search for any art applications. There are multiple different art illustrators, creators, poster makers that you can use to create your NFT. I am using Canva, but you can use any other platform of your own choice. There are so many different platforms available out there, but another platform that I do recommend is PixArt. PixArt allows you to edit your NFT or to build, if you're taking a photo and converting that into an NFT, then you can do that super efficiently on PixArt as well. So that is one of the platforms that I recommend. Now, to get started, we're just going to go on to canva.com. So Canva is a very simple to use platform. You can continue with your Google or your Facebook or your Apple ID. You're going to continue with your Google account or your Facebook account, whatever you want. That is totally up to you. We're just going to continue on to Canva over here. And then we're just going to continue. And then this will just build your Canva account. Once you have your account ready, all you have to do is click on presentations. Or you can even just click on the plus icon on the bottom right over here. You can see on the bottom right, you have this. Then you can click on use your own photo if you want to customize a photo into a NFT, or if you want to create your own NFT from scratch, just click on custom size on the top over here. And once you do that, convert that from pixels into inches. Once you have added inches, you can add the canvas size. So a good NFT size could be 12 by 12 inches. And then you're just going to click on create new design over here. And once you do that, your canvas will now be loaded onto your mobile phone, and it's super easy to build your own NFTs on Canva, even on your phone. Now, once you have done that, this will open up like a little bar, and on top you will have your little canvas. So this is our canvas, and if we click on the plus icon, we can open up different items. So first off, I'm just going to click on the canvas over here, and from the bottom, I'm just going to click on color. I can scroll down, so I can just scroll down to view the colors, or I can just click on this button over here, and this will open up the color wheel, and I will just select a color from over here. Let's say I want to go with this. Once I've selected a background color, I can just click on this plus icon over here, and then I have this little bottom section on the bottom where you have things you can add, such as elements you can upload from your camera roll. You can add text, photos, and different styles onto your canvas. So in the elements section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to begin adding flowers. I'm just going to search for flowers in the elements section, and then I'm going to click on graphics. So it should be a illustration, not like an image. You can even search for image and put that in the background. So if I go into the photos section, you can see there are a bunch of different photos available as well. So let's say I go on ahead and click this one over here. Then I can place this on the top, and you can see these purple lines are going to help you illustrate where like the centers are, so you can better align your items. And what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm just going to click on over here, and I'm going to click on more, and I'm going to click on paste. Now I've pasted the same thing, and I'm just going to place it at the bottom as well. Let's say I want to use this as like a framing little item. So I'm just going to expand the size like so, and use this to frame the corners of my NFT. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the purple icon on the bottom left once more. And once I have done that, I'm going to go back into my element section. I can add more flowers as well, just to further decorate. However you want to decorate your NFT, whatever you're looking to design, just search for it on Canva, and you will be able to find it pretty easily. Now I'm just going to keep on searching for more items. So now I'm going to go into the graphics section, and I'm going to search for roses. And I am just going to search for a couple of different flower patterns or flowers that I can add to my NFT illustration. So we're just going to go on ahead and look over here. Now what I'm going to do is I am just going to resize this and place this over here. You can even click on duplicate, and this will duplicate it for you. So whenever you have like an element that you like, you can just click on this top left button, and then it will copy the entire item for you. We've placed these at the top, and now let's just place them at the bottom as well. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go on ahead and place the elements onto our NFT however you want to place them, and we can just duplicate any item that we want. We're just going to duplicate this over here like so. And then I'm just going to once more click on the bottom left over here, and now I'm just going to search for tiger. And once you have searched for the animal or whatever you want to add to your NFT, we're going to click on graphics over here. And I'm just going to add this illustration to the center. And I will expand the size just by clicking on this like so. And what I want to do is maybe I want to add like a total floral background. So I'm just going to click on my top flowers over here. And I will just keep on duplicating them and adding them, and I can just move this. I can even delete this for now, and then I'm going to go on ahead and build my floral background, and then I'm just going to add the tiger at the end. So now we're just going on ahead and we're continuing with the floral background. I'm just going to search for flowers once more, and I will just open this up, going to the photo section just to add more floral images onto my actual NFT canvas. And I'm just adding whatever I like. You can just go on ahead and search for whatever you like to find like accurate images for that. You can build any kind of NFT with this. It doesn't have to be exactly a replica of what I'm building over here, but you can get quite a few different ideas by simply, working on the element section. Once you open up the element section, you're going to be able to see the different options that you have, and you can go on ahead and build according to the options that you have on the platform. So we're just going on ahead and adding a bunch of different floral patterns in the background. And once I have done that, I'm just going to add a couple more over here as well. And you can even rotate these so they fit better. And then you can just click on add once more. Then we're just going to add more items into this little illustration. Then we're going to add more. And you can just keep on scrolling down, and you will get a lot of different options to add to the canvas from the Canva platform. So now we're just going to rotate this image slightly. Then I'm going to place it over here, and now I'm just going to place the final image. So I'm just going to scroll back, and I'm going to search for tiger once more. And I'm going to take this illustration. I'm going to resize this at the top. And I'm going to center this, so these purple little lines that you see are going to help you better center images. And now this is centered. Maybe I want to make it slightly smaller, so it looks a little bit, smaller. And there is more there's more space for the flowers, and now you can see it has been centered. And now I'm just going to place it over here. Now I can just click on download over here, and I can just simply save this image. And now our design is being prepared, and now it will be saved in a couple of seconds. So we're just waiting for Canva to sync up and build our image, and then we can just download it, and then you can upload it onto OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace. So you can even directly upload from your phone. So all you need to do to upload this image onto your OpenSea platform is to go onto OpenSea on your mobile app, click on continue, and then all you need is a MetaMask wallet. So you can click on MetaMask over here. And then once you have the MetaMask account application in your phone as well, you also need this application. You can just create a new wallet over here, or type in the password for your old wallet. And then we're just going to continue over here. We're going to click on create password. And this is just a sample password, so it really doesn't mean anything, but when you're building your own crypto wallet, make sure that it is a secure password, because this will hold all of your crypto, so it needs to be a secure password. So now you're just going to connect your crypto wallet to your OpenSea account, and you can upload your NFT onto the OpenSea platform. So we're just going to click on start, and then you're just going to view your recovery phrase, click on view, and you can take a screenshot or write these down, click on continue. You can just take a screenshot. And then you're just going to verify this. And once you have verified, now you can go on to your OpenSea account and upload your image directly to OpenSea. So that was it for today, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.